Dear students of Standard 7, welcome back to your grammar class. Here we begin the grammar class today, and we have finished the chapter 1 where we have studied about noun, the definition of noun, and the kinds of nouns that we have already seen. And I have given you the exercises A, B, and C. And I hope you have already done or you must be doing. And we got into the chapter 2, lesson 2, the article. And we have seen there are three articles, a, and the. And it is not mentioned in your book. There are two types of articles, that is a definite article and indefinite article, that I have already taught you in the last class. However, I am just refreshing you the previous class, so you know what is definite article and indefinite article. Definite means when we are sure what it is, and definite article is the. The indefinite article is a and an. That is because we are not sure. A table means what table it is, whether it is a iron table, whether it is a wooden table, whether it is a steel table. So we are not very sure. That is why it is called indefinite article. Now let us see, where do we use the article the? Okay, let us see where do we use the article the, and sometimes we also have to omit the article the. So I have written you here in this paper, we just go through that one, and it is, I have not given you example here. When as I proceed in teaching, you can look at the book and you can just see the examples given there. Use of article the. Where do you use article the? We do not use the before the names of languages when used as nouns, but the is used when it is used as adjective. For example, here you can see the example here. Binay speaks French very fluently. Here French is used as noun. That is why we are not using the article the before the noun. But when we see the second sentence, Karina wants to learn the French language. The French language. Why do we use here the French language? Because the French is used here as an adjective. Therefore, when it is used as adjective, when the noun is used as adjective, we use the article the. And also second one, we can see next one, it is not used before the means of travel. We do not use before, it is not used before the means of travel. Example here, by air, by train, by road. These are the means of travel. So we don't say by the air, by the train, by the road. We do not say. Please listen. We do not use the article the by means of travel, that is means the by the air, by the road. No, we just say by air, by road, by train. This is the way we use. The next one is, that is example is given, we are going to Puri by train. We don't say we are going to Puri by the train. No, we do not say, because it is a means of travel. Therefore we do not use the term or we do not use the article the. The next one is when it is specific or definite, the is used. As I said, specific or definite. When it is specific or definite, we use the article the. Rita will be taking the direct flight to London from Mumbai. Okay, this is you are definite. You know for sure that Rita will be taking the direct flight. That flight which is direct to London from Mumbai, not any other flight. So we are talking about a particular flight which is definite, which will be going from Mumbai to London. So that is why we are using the article the, because we are definite or we are sure that Rita will be traveling by that particular flight. Next one is we do not use, it is not used before the names of sports and games. For example, we do not use before the names of sports and game. Bina and her friends play badminton. So it is here, as we have said, it is not used before the sports and games. So Bina and her friends play badminton. So we have not used here the article before the game. Badminton is a sport or game. So it is not used here. So we will not say we are playing the football. No, it is wrong. So we are playing football. That is right. The next one is it is not used before names of meals. So it is here we do not use the before the names of meals. For example, Rahul has dinner at 8 p.m. every day. So it is wrong to say Rahul has the dinner at 8 p.m. every day. It is wrong. It is not right. So what do we say? Rahul has dinner at 8 p.m. every day. We take our lunch at 12 o'clock. That is right. We do not say we take the lunch at 12 o'clock. No, that is wrong. So we take lunch at 12 o'clock every day. That is right. Next one is it is not used before plural nouns as a class. Before plural nouns as a class. For example, here it is given the tigers are furious animals. The tigers are furious animals. That is wrong. The tigers are furious animal. That is, the tigers are furious animals. That is wrong because it is representing the whole class. So generally, tigers are what is called, they are furious. So we do not use when it is used as plural form and it is representing the whole class. Therefore, what do we say? Tigers are furious animals. Or we can say elephants are huge animals. Or elephants are biggest animals. We will not say the elephants are biggest animals. That is wrong way of saying. So that is wrong. Next one is it is not used before the countable nouns which have general meaning. So it has got a general meaning. Example, grass is fragile. So generally glass is fragile because it is generally that glass will break. It is fragile, it is very soft and it will break. That is why when it is uncountable noun which has got a general meaning, naturally the glass breaks. The next one is when it is not used in these places when visited, especially like school, college, hospital, church, court, etc. When they are visited, it is not used. But when it is visited for some other purpose, okay, when it is visited for some other purpose, that is used. Okay, it is used. Okay, like first one we saw, it is visited, that time we don't use. Haris went to college after finishing his school, not went to the school. Next one I have already explained to you. It is used when it is visited for some other purpose. Okay, like mother went to college to meet the registered note. Mother went to meet, not to visit. Therefore we have used the term the before the college. So dear students, I have explained to you, I have given you the whole thing. Please, you can go through. It is just I have mentioned in gist. So please go through and write in your copy and try to understand whatever I have explained to you. So for today this is enough, and thank you and have a nice time.